Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you all simple steps to do facial at home using natural ingredients so that you can get a glowy skin without spending much money on it. So let's get started with the video. So let's begin with the first step, that is cleansing. So for that I'm going to use Himalayan Neem Purifying Face Wash. Cleansing helps to remove excess oil, makeup and dirt from our skin. Make sure you perform this step for at least 1 minute. Now I'll wash my face and we'll move to the next step, that is scrubbing. For that I'm going to use a half tomato and I'll dip it into sugar and scrub it circular motion all over my face and neck area. This will help to remove dead skin cells from my skin and also it will brighten up my skin, and it's good for the people who have dull skin. They should perform this step once or twice in a week to prevent this dullness of the skin. Again I'm going to wash my face and I'm going to pat dry my skin with the help of towel, and we'll move to the next step, that is steam. To give steam on my face, what I'm going to do is I'm taking a towel and I'm dipping it into a hot water and I'm going to pat on those areas where I'm going to open pores and extract blackheads and whiteheads. Now in this step, I'm extracting blackheads and whiteheads from my nose area, then I will extract it from my chin area. For this step you can use an extractor or a bobby pin, but make sure that bobby pin should be clean so that it won't cause any damage or harm to your skin. To close the open pores, again I have taken a towel, dipped into a cold water and again patting it on my face to close my open pores, especially those areas from where I have extracted blackheads. Next step is mask. I'm using a mixture of gram flour, 1 tablespoon of honey, lemon and rose water, and I'm going to apply it on my face in circular motion and also in my neck area. I'm going to keep this for 20 minutes or until it gets dry. After I pat dry my face for last time, I'm moving to the next step, that is moisturizing. For that I'm using orange essential oil from Nykaa and Patanjali aloe vera gel. I'm mixing this both together and applying it on my face and neck area. So we are done after moisturizing. And this is the final result of the facial. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.